your playgroup teacher. Okay, today we will do our worksheet about letter sound Z. Are you ready? Okay, Rainbow Kids, now let's redo this worksheet. Letter sound Z. Say the name of the picture and trace this letter sound below. Okay, now look at this picture. What picture is this? This is a zebra. Can you repeat after me? Zebra. Okay, now first letter of zebra is letter sound Z. Let's we follow the dot. Start from left to right and then make a line go down, and then one more time from left to right like zigzag. Okay, next this is a picture of zipper. Can you say zipper? Nice. Now let's retrace letter sound Z on zipper. Next, this is zigzag. Let's retrace letter sound Z on zigzag. And the last one, zero. Can you say zero? Let's retrace letter sound Z on zero. We done. Okay, Rainbow Kids, that's all. We already done doing our worksheet about letter sound Z. Let's meet again in my next video. Bye bye.